Where?
It's playing through the.
Whenever Hagen gets done bullying me, I get online so I can bully this guy.
Oh wait, so you take
He's laughing.
It's freaking idiot. Get out of my way.
I'm the
fool.
You're what?
I think. Oh, help!
What a
Easy among
shooter
this guy.
trooper.
I freaking see you up there,
No,
John.
you're from Payday 2, retard.
What are you talking about? Hey! Cooper's the thing! He's got a
Coming, incoming, guys, incoming.
Oh.
Incoming.
Is this the day of reckoning?
What was that?
Is that a tsunami?
I think. Oh! I have a headache. I can't.
Nice car.
What? No! No! It was good. Oh my god. Ooh, you're
Cooper got the gat.
Why am I hearing voices? Who's talking above me? Lucid, shut the fuck up! Lucid, shut up! Lucid, shut up!
I am the squad leader.
Next, you're gonna tell me my hair is short. Keep short
Your
looking
hair is
eyes.
short, you have dick sucking lips, and you look like a woman.
Oh.
All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
Hello?
Of My Little Pony, right? I used to really like the show and all that.
the
And so I once had, yeah, I know you. You can say. At least I have the guts to say it right here now.
Yeah.
So essentially, I don't really care for the show. I mean, it's like, bleh, whatever.
I still watch
but a while ago, I had a dream where I was with.
What the hell is going on with our equipment?
It was like in a warehouse or something. I was with this
damn it!
another pony, and then another pony, and it was
still
me,
talking about
and-
it!
No! Hey, hey, not cool, man, not cool. Hey, fuck.
For like some stuff. It's kind of annoying.
What the fuck?
Huh.
Hello?
Oh,
What?
You're just gonna like rim cocks and suck balls, you know, just fucking, you know,
plasma defender.
your tongue's gonna be down an asshole 90% of the time. Let's put it like that, all right?
Bro, you should start a religion or something
Yeah,
about
you should
that.
cover
like, make a
yourself on
holiday.
that.
You know, wasn't there a holiday about like
Hey,
some
you should
oils
cover
that
yourself
never
on
ran
that.
out?
No, you gotta cover yourself in oil.
I want to do this. No, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna say like if I was like, yeah, this is a fun dance. If you don't break your ankles,
nightclub and like bump into.
You're like, it's a pretty idea, but you're not gonna fucking get it to work.
Gira y se gira la ruleta, gira, gira, gira y le toca un... ¡Le toca un 40! ¡No, 50 al lado del jackpot, amigo! ¡Al lado del jackpot, amigo! Y sí, señoras y señores, seguimos con la competencia de Jackpot. Aquí va por la derecha, adelanta, va por la derecha, va, sigue,